Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews, and we're back with another Dollar Tree haul. So stay tuned for all the new goodies. So let's get the mundane out of the way. My paper towels, 140 sheets. They haven't brought the bonus one, but again, I still opt for that. I just prefer it sometimes. So, and if I'm in the area, I pick it up in a pinch. Um, yes, LA's totally awesome. Laundry detergent, good for 21 loads. I always get their clean fresh. It's just a nice, pretty scent. Nothing too crazy. And it's 42 fluid ounces. So, in comparison to one that would be from Tide, and you'd spend like $4 or $5. So, that's the go-to for $1.25. Also, by Swan in their health beauty section. Swan, 70% alcohol, first aid, antiseptic for rubbing and massaging. It really does come in handy. 70% means it's effective. So in comparison to rival brands like Walgreens, Rite Aid, for $1.25, you can't go wrong for that price, y'all. Now, let's move on. Oh, and of course, my puffs. I love these tissues. These tissues are really soft. Unfortunately, they only bring 96. They haven't brought my Scotties, but like I said, in a pinch, and I was running low, so I picked up a box, just a simple box. Now, you already know my drawstrings, tall kitchen bags from Essentials collection, drawstring closure, holds up to 13 gallons, 2 feet by 2 feet, 3/8 inch by 0.7 milliliter, I believe. And yeah, it really gets the job done for $1.25, 10 bags. Can't beat that. This is in their cleaning, houseware, kitchen section. Yes. Now, in their floral section, I picked up these beautiful pearls, faux pearl beads, 60 count. They're little. I wanted them bigger. They really haven't brought them as big as I would want, but this will do. I'm thinking of a DIY, and I'll let you guys know what it is at some future point. But yes, this is in their floral section. This is Floral Garden Collection, and it is 0.47 in diameters. I wish they were a little thicker, but in comparison, I think the other ones that I bought were maybe smaller. I don't know. But nonetheless, these are good. I've used these before for cosplay, and they're really great. Hot glue, you're good. Also in their floral section, I picked up this nice wire basket. Nice gilded wire basket. I hope this is kind of giving you a clue what I might do, but stay tuned for that, y'all. Now, in their hardware section, they have, this is the Tool Bench collection hardware, self-adhesive wall tile. And I only needed a square. It's only 12 inches in terms of length, but I really love this attention to detail and how metal it looks. So I hope this gives you also a clue of what I might be doing. But yeah, and it's just, they come in a variety. I just needed one, so I picked up one. Also, I thought I'd pick up a splatter screen. They come with handles, and this is another alternative handle that I might take off. I'm not using it for its purposes, for its intended purposes, but nonetheless, if you are looking for a splatter, it's in their cooking section. This is Cooking Concepts, so I just needed it for its round effect. So stay tuned. New to the Crafters Square, they have brought this really gilded, beautiful gilded sequence ribbon, which might come in handy. That's 12 feet long, so glitter ribbon, but I love it that it's gold. And I picked up these stickers collection. They're pop-up Crafters Square section, and they come in these pretty seashells and starfish. So hope that's giving you guys a clue. Also in their beauty section, they have these arrangement vanity organizer. You can put like a variety of lipsticks, lip glosses, makeup brushes. I'm not sure if I'll use it for that or something else, but stay tuned for that. $1.25 though, in comparison to a lot of other places that would have that for $5. And in their school supply section, I picked up this beautiful purple I want to say magenta, yeah, But jewel toned, beautiful jewel tone. The camera's not really picking up its beautiful color, but yes, a poster board for $1.25. And lastly, from the Dollar Tree, I picked up these hot hands, body and hands, super warmer. You can put these in your gloves and I think maybe your socks. Perfect now for the cold season, especially if you're going to go watch the tree at Rockefeller Center light up. These are really great. They're well recommended by the deal guy and Chic on the Cheap. So I thought I'd try them and I picked up a pack. You can see I think it's 8. Oh, it lasts up to 18 hours of heat. That's great. So I'm going to give these a try. And lastly, these aren't from the Dollar Tree. This is from Target's Bullseye. I believe I paid $3. But these are mini ornaments, and so they come in both gold and silver, but I'm going to opt for the gold. And again, I hope it's giving y'all an idea. But that's it for now. I didn't want to say a Target haul because it was just one item. But nonetheless, now y'all know. Hope you like the new goodies and the new items. Let us know what you like, what you didn't like. Leave us a comment down below. If you like what you see, give us a like. Give us a share. If you like my videos and like to follow me here on YouTube, hit the subscription button and the notification button bell so you can be alerted of my next haul, DIY, and review. And we got to get back to those reviews. So we will be right back, y'all. Until next time, XOXO, Nerdy Girl.